up? My name is Anya, and today I really want to make some strawberry muffins with a lemon drizzle. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I had my grandmother help me in the kitchen today. We made some yummy strawberry muffins with a lemon drizzle. To start, cut up a handful of fresh strawberries. Add in 1 tablespoon of flour and mix the strawberries and flour together. This will prevent the strawberries from sinking to the bottom of the cupcake. Set aside. In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add in 7 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix that through. Next, add in 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well incorporated. Next, add in a half a cup of buttermilk, and if you don't have buttermilk, you can simply substitute it for half a cup of milk and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix until smooth. Add in the strawberries and mix that through. Next is the crumble, in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of butter, add in a 1/4 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of flour, and a mixture of nutmeg and cinnamon, about a 1/4 teaspoon of each. The mixture should be crumbly. Fill the cupcake cases with the cupcake batter. Sprinkle on the crumble and place into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, or until golden brown. Now for the lemon drizzle. In a bowl with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, add in 1 cup of icing sugar, and mix until smooth. Using a teaspoon, drizzle the mixture over the cooled muffins. Enjoy!